up, guys? I am going to do another little fuel mileage test here. I have about 75 miles to go one way, and then I'll be heading back home tonight, so it'll be 150 miles total. This is just a straight highway run. We are empty. This is a 430 geared truck, so it is the 7.3 gas, 10 speed with 430 gears. We are heading up to Maine, and we will be back tonight. We are running about 80 miles per hour, maybe 2100 RPM, and I will let you know what we get for fuel mileage here. I'll check in a little bit and see where we're at. Making good progress. 28 miles left here. Still cranking right along at 80. I might have gone a little faster at some points, but we are getting 13.1 right now. I mean, not too bad. 430 gears. I'm running 35-inch tires, and that's over 56 miles and really 80 miles per hour average, so I can live with that. The 355 gear truck will probably get 1 or 2 miles per gallon better, but that's all right. This is the setup I wanted. I wanted the better low end, better towing, so 13.1. I will check in later. It will do some idling and slower speed driving once I get to my location. I'm helping my sister move from one apartment to another, so we will see what we end up with, but so far so good. All right, update on the way home. 96 miles to go. Slowing down here. We are getting 13.7 over the last 115 miles, so I will give you an update when we get home. All right, I'll make this short and sweet. We are back. I did 211 miles. 13.7 was what we got. 3 hours and 43 minutes. Like I said, unloaded. I have a tonneau cover, 8-foot bed, 7.3 Godzilla, 430 gears, 13.7.